nobody would believe me if I just told them, hey, it just started raining like this just out of nowhere. And snowing. Look like sleep. I can't even really. Anyway, Friday the 13th, I guess is what it is. That thing came out of nowhere. Tanning blog in the rain, dog. I'm planking on the million. I'm riding through your hood. You can make it, ain't got no ceiling. Man,